make a nice, spicy, one skillet chicken supper with rosemary crushed garlic potatoes. I get 6 wedges per large russet potato. Leave the skin on. Get your oven hot to 425, 450. You want them nice and super crispy, so I spray them down generously with a little EVOO spray. And I hit them with a lot of salt and pepper. Lots of rosemary. Lots of crushed garlic. Toss everybody together. All right, now we're gonna do something that sounds dirty, but it's actually not. It's necessary to cook any poultry evenly. You can remove the spine of the bird, and that is called spatchcocking. You take poultry shears, you can get them online. They are cheap. They are not expensive, and they're the necessary tool. And all you're doing is giving it a spinectomy, basically. You're just literally removing the spine from the bird so you can flatten it out. And there we go. Now, and then I just snip off the wing tips. And then you're just gonna press down on the breastbone and crack it. If we wanted to add stuffing or put some herbs in here, you just loosen from both sides the skin of the chicken. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna make a spice rub for the outside. We're going to put in smoked sweet paprika, dry mustard, fennel seed or fennel pollen or both, and a little dried oregano. I have salt and pepper on the chicken as well. The dry mustard will make this nice and spicy, but we're also going to make a sauce once we brown the chicken with Calabrian chili paste. You can substitute sambal oelek, even sriracha, any chili paste you like. Now, once you put the rub on your chicken, like this, okay, let it set for 45 minutes, and we're gonna place it in the pan, skin side down in olive oil, okay? Nice hot skillet, over medium-high heat. Then we're gonna take the browned chicken, I have one browning here, season up the back side of the bird with salt and pepper. And we're going to maneuver him, or her. We're gonna remove the chicken out so we can make the sauce, okay? To the drippings from the chicken, we're gonna add a few tabs of butter, lots of garlic, our Calabrian chili paste, a little or a lot, it's up to you. Give that a swirl. Then we're gonna hit it with some white wine. And a little bone broth or stock. And then you slide your bird back into the bathtub. Then we're gonna throw this in the oven, let it cook through to 160. Let it finish cooking when it comes out. As it's cooking, baste it with the sauces once it gets going. I'm rubbing some charred bread with halved large clove of garlic. Our bruschetta we top with good fruity green olive oil. And we season liberally with flaky sea salt. Out of the oven come big old potato wedges. Give them a shake. Yeah. Big old potato wedges with the garlic and the rosemary. What's gonna make them look even better is the deviled chicken. A little lemon over the chicken. Now it's really gonna get filthy.